1530 Winchester virtual tour. This is in Lakewood, Ohio. Right there's Franklin. And then you go all the way down there, and Detroit's right down there. So it's really close to the downtown area. This property is a great investment or a property to live in. It's got vinyl siding. They just redid the, about a year and a half ago, the basement wall. So that's all been taken care of. So there's no structural issues here. There's a one-car garage, a nice fenced-in backyard. And they did a lot of updates in here. So for example, they did the new flooring, newer, painted. It was all just freshly painted, taken care of. Open kitchen, big open kitchen. What's nice about this too, you got bathrooms on every floor, full baths. So this is a big one here. So this is newer. And again, a bathroom right by. So you have, if you want a suite for yourself, a bedroom suite by a bathroom, this is it. So this has all been painted. New flooring. This house also has a dining room area right here, and all this has all been taken care of. And it has a living room, so newer floor, paint. It's got the French vinyls in the front there. Nice big area, vinyl flooring that's really going to hold up for you. And then upstairs here is 2 more bedrooms and another full bath. So really unique for both the investor and the person who wants to live here. You don't have to go downstairs, but right there's your full bath. It's got a newer tub and shower in it. So that is beautiful. And then it has 2 bedrooms. Pretty good sized bedrooms, and you can fit a bed, TV. So this one's an oversized one here. So they're both really good sized bedrooms that can really serve you. And it's also, they're both in Lakewood, Ohio, which again is a really good area. This one would rent for right around $1,800 a month if you want to use it for a rental. And let's go down in the, it does have, you know, it has a typical Lakewood basement, but you do have a newer heater and water heater. You can see it's all very clean. You got a sump pump over there, and you have a newer water heater right here. So this is your virtual tour. Again, this is 1530 Winchester in Lakewood, Ohio. We come in and did some repairs and painted it, and it's just it's a very nice location and a nice home near Detroit. It's just a little down from Franklin, but good location, good for an investor or a move-in family. Thanks. This is the end of your virtual tour.